good afternoon, amigos and amigas. Today we're here again in this place and I'm standing on this wall. I'm not sure what you call to this one. I'm standing here. Yeah, my legs and my shoes, and it's a big drop from here down there to the river, and that's the bamboo bridge that made by the locals that lives here in this place. And as far as I can see, looks like the river is up because maybe it's raining up there in the mountains, in the forest, in the jungle, or whatever. Yeah, we always went down here to visit and see what's the progress of this bridge here that looks like I don't know what happened. Yeah, but as far as I can see, looks like the road got improvement this time, because as I can remember the last time we went here, this road is still broken, cracked and broken. Yeah, they knock it down because we used to visit this place before, and this road it got a lot of crack. Yeah, it got lots of cracks, so they knock it down and build another new concrete and better road. So this time, this is the road now. This is the progress, and looks like it's good. And they made also a banking like this at the side of this road, and that's the muddy, sludgy road down to the river. Yeah, and today the weather is, I can say, it's not really good, but it's not also so bad. Yeah, there's a little bit showering, very light showering, and all the people and locals that lives here in this place are on that other side of place. They have to cross down to this river because there's no way to walk, to pass, only this river. And that's, as you can see, there's a college student, I think, and she's ready to go to school, and she's crossing to that river. I'm not sure if she's crossing to the water or she's just prefer to walk down to the small part of cement in there, that line. So she choose to walk to that small line in there, than to walk past to the water, to the river. And I never try also, guys, I never try to pass and walk down to the water. I never try to cross to the water, but I'm sure it's quite fun. Yeah, I like to walk to the river, to the water, to the river. I really like I really like water, but when it comes to river, if the river, if I've known that it's not dangerous, I can say that maybe I can cross to the water, to the river. But sometimes I'm not really sure because, guys, I told you how many times on my previous videos that I'm really really afraid of moving water. Yeah, especially the river, because I have a bad experience about the river a long time. I think 5 years ago or 6 years ago. I cannot still I'm not really sure, but yes, as I told you, I'm really scared of when it comes to the river. So yeah, this is the, and looks like this bamboo bridge, that's the progress that they made. And well, I cannot really say that that type of bridge is really safe to cross, but well, maybe, as I can see here in real, in personal, it looks sturdy, but I'm not sure when you cross to that bamboo bridge and you will walk upstairs on that steps going there to the place. I'm not sure to that type of steps because it's just a soil, so I think it's not safe to walk up there, because what if it's muddy and sludgy, so it means it's not really safe. And look at this guys, there's a jeep that going down to the river. And wow, this is my first time that I saw a jeepney or a jeep that will cross to that river, to that water. So I hope it will, yeah, it's doing good. It's easy. Did you see that, guys? Yeah, it's easy for the jeep to cross to the water, to the river. Yeah, wow, good job, fantastic, awesome, very, very good. Yeah, the guy is waving. I think they know that we are making a film in this place. So I hope you guys doing well and take care. Yeah, they're going to that place, and we're not, I cannot really tell you guys what place is that in there, because whenever really we tried that before, that place, but we just go back because whenever we don't really know where that place is going. And there's another river also right there. There's another one river, and looks like that river is, wow, it's not as like this. Looks like that river, the second river in there is really bad. I mean, mas pangit siya when you compare it to this river. Mas pangit siya, guys. Yun ang masasabi ko. Mas lalong masama yung yung daanan. Ito medyo maayos-ayos pa to, okay pa to. Nandyan pala yung aking, ayan siya, oh. Ayokong bumaba kasi maputik. Maputik siya, guys, at ayoko maputikan yung aking sapatos. Ganun ako. So dito lang ako ngayon. Ayan, nakaupo na ako. Mataas dito, guys, dito sa pinagpwestuhan ko, mataas dito. Tingnan nyo itong mga rebars na to, na basta na lang nandyan, na parang masasabi ko ay yata ito, delikado. Yeah, dangerous, because they just left that like that in there. Kaya parang delikado. Paano pag nadulas ka at ano ka, dumiretso ka dyan sa itong mga rebars na to. Wow, I'm sure wala ka talagang ligtas. Sigurado akong tsugi ang lola nyo. So kailangan mo talaga mag-ingat pag bawa tatayo ka dyan, o kailangan mo talagang bigyang pansin yung tinatapakan mo. Kailangan lumayo-layo ka sa part na delikado. At meron na namang dadaan na motorsiklo. Alam niyo dito sa river na to, guys, ito, busy itong river na to. Ang daming dumadaan dito. Mostly are motorbikes, motorcycle. Yeah, that's mostly that vehicle that pass to this river all the time, every time. Lagi kami pupunta. Ayan, may tricycle, guys, oh. Ayan, may tricycle. First time ko na naman ulit ito na nakakita ng tricycle na pababa sa river na to. Ayan si kuya. So, siguro na try na rin ang tricycle na to na okay naman. Kasi parang ang tagal din na panahon na na wala ng tricycle na dumadaan dito or mga sasakyan, kasi sinira na kasi, guys. Dati kasi yung na yan, yung overflow na yan, meron pa dyan yung parang apat na, yung nakita nyo yung mga linya na yan, ganyan, may apat yan sila dyan. Isa na lang yung natira. So ibig sabihin tinanggal nila yung tatlo yung nandyan. And now, as you can see, only one line left. So they break down the, they knock down the three lines, the two lines, yeah, they knock it down. Sinira nila, siguro dinurog-durog nung backhoe, at saka nagtira lang nung kaisa-isang linya na yan dyan. Yan, tinira lang yan ng ganyan para lang siguro pag yung sa mga tao na walang motorsiklo na naglalakad lang, pwede silang dumaan dyan. Pero sa tingin ko parang din siya, guys, parang delikado rin siya, lalo na pag may kabigatan yata yung mo, yung weight mo, or may may kini-carry ka, you're carrying a heavy stuff or what. Kasi tingnan nyo, guys, di ba nakikita nyo yan? Ayan, parang may sira siya sa banda mismong gitna. Ayan, di ba? There's a crack in the middle of that line. So parang delikado din siya, kaya minsan tinry ko talaga tumawid. Natatakot ako talaga. Iniisip ko na baka bigla na lang maputol ba at mahulog ako sa tubig. Nako. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Pasensya na kayo, guys, kung minsan na bubulol-bulol ako. Alam nyo naman, maiksi yung dila ko, kaya siguro ganun. At saka hindi talaga used yung yung dila ko na magsalita ng Tagalog at saka English. Siguro kaya ganun. Kaya pag minsan talaga hindi ko maiiwasan na nabubulol-bulol ako. Kaya inaano ko na lang inuulit ko na lang pag yung nagbubulol-bulol ako. So papasensyahan niyo na ako, guys, ha. At i-reverse ko pala yung camera para makita nyo din naman si Inday. So, guys, see you there. Nakita nyo na ako. Nakita nyo ba yung tricycle na yun na kanina sinasabi ko, guys? Ayun. Nahirapan siya, guys. Ayan. Nahirapan si kuya. Nahirapan siya sa pag-akyat. Kasi yung kalsada na yan, tinulungan niya ito ng aking boyfriend. Matulungin masyado yan, very helpful kasi yan. Madilim, pero alam ko, nakita nyo, nahirapan talaga siya. Dito, kanina, dumaan siya mula doon, kabila, tapos tawid sa ilog, papunta doon. Okay pa, pero nung doon na siya banda, malapit na talaga siya doon sa pinakataas na pagka anong tawag dyan? Pag nakaahon na siya doon sa taas, kalsada na kaagad. Concrete na, hindi na siya siya, parang nahirapan na siya talaga. Parang ayaw na makisama nung gulong ng kanyang tricycle ba, parang ganun yung nangyari. So ayan guys, nandito na ako nakaupo at ganito yung ganito yung aurahan ko. Ayan, tingnan nyo. O, diba? Diba guys? Ganyan lang ako. O, ayan. Upo-upo lang ako dito. So, naisipan lang namin na bumalik dito kasi gusto kasi ng kasama ko guys ito na balikan doon namin itong yan, yung bridge na yan, nakikita nyo ba? Yan, kita nyo ba yan? Yan, itong bridge na ito gusto daw niya makita ko na yung progress, yung improvement ng ginawang kawayan na tulay na talaga siya, yun bang na-amaze talaga siya sa paggawa nito, na grabe daw talaga yung ang skills ng mga Pilipino para maiwasan nila na pag halimbawa tumaas itong ilog, bigla itong tumaas ang tubig, so hindi sila di ba pag tumaas ang tubig, pag bumaha, hindi na talaga sila makakatawid kasi delikado na. So siguro yan, naisip nila na idea na gumawa sila ng bamboo bridge na yan para in case man din ba na bumaha o tumaas ang ilog, carry bells pa rin na makatawid pa rin sila at uwi doon sa bahay nila sa kabilang part kabilang parte ng ilog na to. Kasi andun yung mga bahay guys, hindi nyo lang masyadong nakikita kasi andyan sila sa mga kawayanan na yan, andyan sila mga bahay dyan na nakatago. Dito meron din dyan, daming mga bahay guys, hindi nyo lang talaga kita kasi puro mga puno. At doon din sa likuran ko dyan, yan yung mga yan natatabunan na yan, may mga pamamahay din yan dyan guys. Lang talaga, tago lang. Ganun yung mga pag yung nakatira ka sa mga kagaya ng ganitong, pasensya na guys nakapikit ako kasi masyadong sensitive yung mata ko sa ano bang tawag dyan, liwanag ng araw so yun ang sabi ko, ganyan yung pag nakatira ka sa mga ganitong klaseng mga place. Dati kasi nakatira rin kami sa ganitong klaseng place nung doon pa kami sa Don Salvador dati. Ma-share ko lang sa inyo guys, ganyan din kami. Yung bahay namin nasa middle ng mga puno ng kahoy, kaya hindi mo maiisip ikaw na dumadaan sa kalsada, hindi mo talaga maiisip na may bahay pala doon, unless na lang kung merong mga aso na tatakol o di kaya ay merong ka makikitang usok na ibig sabihin may nagluluto or nagsisiga doon sa loob ng yung nag-uumpukan ng mga puno na yon. Hindi mo talaga malalaman guys na may bahay pala, unless na lang talaga kung may mga maririnig kang mga hayop na halimbawa mga baboy, aso, at yun nga, usok, na maisip mo na ay may bahay pala kasi parang may nagluluto, parang ganon. May dumaanan naman na motorsiklo guys, ayan o. Sa mga motorsiklo, easy lang. Medyo a little bit difficult also, but it's not like on a tricycle that it's really hard for a tricycle. Sa tricycle guys, it's just very easy to go down from that concrete road in there. It's easy to go down and cross to that river. But when it comes to going up to the hill, like for example, paakyat na siya, doon na medyo ang tricycle, doon na siya medyo nag-i-struggle ba kasi di gaya ng mga motorsiklo, easy lang talaga kasi dalawa lang naman yung gulong nila, di ba? So parang ayos lang. Yung tricycle kasi 'di ba meron siyang sidecar, kaya siguro ganun. Pero kakayanin naman ng tricycle pag meron lang siyang kasama na tutulong ba para tumulak sa kanya if ever na ma-stuck siya. Kasi medyo yung ano ngayon, yung lupa, ano siya, soft siya. Sabi ko nga, maputik siya, kaya ganun yung nangyayari sa gulong ng tricycle. Dalawa sila guys, ayan, tatawid na naman sila. I hope, take care, be careful. Mukhang easy lang naman, ayan. Ang ano lang naman kasi pag tumawid ka sa ilog na nakamotorsiklo ka, pag mababa yung motorsiklo mo ba guys, like for example yung motorsiklo mo ay scooter siya, hindi siya made sa mga ganitong dadaanan ba, kasi pag mababa yung motorsiklo mo, yeah, it's very difficult kasi lalo na pag yung tambutso mo nasa baba din, eh pag tumawid ka siyempre sa ilog, lalo na pag ang tubig, medyo mataas yung tubig, mapapasukan yung tambutso mo, kaya mag-struggle talaga yung motorsiklo mo. So yan guys, and thanks so much for watching. To all my new and old subscribers, thank you so much guys. I'm now 200 plus subscribers, and I'm grateful and very thankful sa mga bago kong subscribers. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa panonood sa aking video. Huwag niyo sana pagsawaan yung aking YouTube channel. Lagi niyo sana akong subaybayan. And ilalagay ko rin po yung aking Facebook account sa screen ng phone para makikita niyo po, pwede kayong makipag-chat sa akin on my Facebook account at sa aking Messenger. Kung meron kayong, kung gusto niyo po kwentuhan sa akin, yeah. So don't forget to click the bell button also guys to notify you for more videos to come. At saka sana yes, supportahan niyo ako sana, at wag niyo pong kalilimutan na sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, wag niyo sana kalimutan na mag-subscribe, and always pray and take care. So thank you so much guys, and I hope you are still there sa mga susunod ko pang video. Don't forget to like and enjoy watching all my videos. Thank you. Always remember, train your mind to see the good in every situation, and just be patient, because you will never miss out on what is meant for you as long as you're working towards your purpose. Bye bye amigos and amigas. Bye bye mga amigo and mga amigas. Thank you so much.